Hey, do you have a couple small zucchinis at home and have a couple medium onions? Well, if you do, then you're going to love this beautiful vegetarian recipe. We're going to start by getting our skillet out and placing it over medium-high heat. And then we want to add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil because we love sesame. It's such a delicious oil with taste. Then I'm going to add in medium onions, but we want to first get the 2 onions and slice them nicely, peel them, slice them, give it some time. Obviously the slices won't be perfect, but that doesn't matter. Add them into the skillet and cook for another 3 minutes or so until the medium onions are tender and lovely. Yes, then I'm going to get my 3 small zucchinis or use 2 medium zucchinis, whatever you prefer, and we're going to just slice them up. We want to slice them and half them, and that should be about enough. So you then want to pop them into the skillet and you want to stir the whole thing, of course, and let it cook for another 5 minutes or so until the zucchinis have softened a little bit. I'm then going to add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can also use coconut aminos. You want it to keep a bit more low sodium. I'm using low sodium soy sauce, and then we're going to add in garlic cloves, of course. I'm getting 4 garlic cloves and just peeling them and then just pressing them into the stir fry. Yes, it's beautiful. We're going to mix it all up and cook for another 3-5 minutes, just like that, so the tastes come in. I'm then going to sprinkle the stir fry with 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and you want to toast sesame seeds a little bit. Cook for another minute or so and take off the stove, and that's it. At the end, we're just going to salt and pepper our stir fry and enjoy it. Serve the stir fry with a little bit of rice or vegetables of your choice. You can have it in the evening for lunch. It's a low-calorie meal, so delicious, full of Asian flavors. The kids will love it, you will love it. It's just a great vegetarian meal that's light, so enjoy. For more videos and recipes, please like this video and subscribe. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.